Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here two different types of alkyne is given. One alkyne is medyl alkyne and another alkyne is terminal alkyne. You are using soda, amide and liquid ammonia. You have to find what are the two different products can be observed here. Here answer lives in the alkyne position, whether it is terminal or the middle. If it is terminal, sodamide is the base, it can abstract the proton, so it will replace by sodium there to maintain the neutrality, so it don't undergo the reduction. The triple bond stay as triple bond. If you look at the B, it is a middle alkyne, so there is no acidic hydrogen. So what really happens is sodamide reduce the system, so you are getting alkyne to the trans double bond. Here the fact here is terminal alkyne will not be reduced by sodamide and liquid ammonia, only the middle alkyne which don't have acidic hydrogen will be reduced here. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.